Hey, Lali, hi! I'm watching Rumi's diamond makeover. Wow, I want that too. Don't be upset, look what I've got.
Hey!
Where? I'm right here. Ta-da! Pick a card.
Wow!
Let me think.
Ooh!
Oops! I accidentally picked two. What do I do now? Diamonds? Gold? I can't choose. Help! It's all so amazing. This is so hard. Hi. Whoa! There are two of us now? Looks like it. Unbelievable.
Yay!
Wow, what a twist. Yeah, but now we can make two looks. Perfect. Come with me. Wow, it's so pretty here. Everything is so golden. Silver. Wow. Me first. No, me. Lalilu, can I go? And first will be, yes, gold Lali. Let's transform the workshop. Ooh, luxury vibes. So fancy. Hand me the card. Voila, the gold checklist. Let's do it. Makeup, hair, and outfit. Girls, where do we start? Makeup. Outfit. Yes, let's make you a dress. Great. What about me? It's Gold Lali's turn now. All right, I'll help then. Look what I found. Nice, thank you. Gorgeous trim. Cutting a piece. Placing it on top. It suits Lali. Wrapping the torso. And no peeking. It turned out so pretty. Really? All done. You can look now. Open your eyes. Oh, my glitter unreal. What's next? Something's missing. Really?
Yeah.
I know.
Okay.
Surprise! What is it? Show me. Lalilu, open it. Wow, a secret box? What do we have here? Another box? Let's see. Oh, wow, fabric. This will make a fabulous skirt. Oh, but how do we measure it? Here's a tape measure. Thanks. Taking measurements. Okay, perfect. Time to cut. I'll grab scissors. Wrapping the legs. Hey, why isn't it staying? We need pins. Right, let's take yellow. Okay. Oops. Oh, I pricked my finger. Hey, that's what I'm here for. Let me help. Like this. Wow, thanks. Done. It turned out amazing. High five, bestie. Yes. What about me? Okay. Oops. So now I get double pranks?
Yeah.
This look is a 10 out of 10. Oh no, we forgot the shoes.
Oh my gosh!
Right, I'm still in sneakers. Oh, what do we do? Wait a sec. I've got it. Gold boots. Now that's better. Lalilu, let's add more sparkle. Adding a bit of glitter to the boots. Rubbing it in well. Oh no, the dress covers the boots. We need to fix it somehow. Trust me, I've got $1 million idea. Covering a pin with glue. Once it dries, cutting the tip. Perfect, now the edges don't bother us. Yay, it worked! Yes! High five! Are we done? I've got a few more ideas. Decoration goes here. Beautiful! Oh, and this cute bow. No! Don't! Girls, what's wrong? What don't you like? We need a bigger bow. Wow, that's huge. Put it here. Ta-da! Let me fix it. Done. How about some gems? Super shiny. Let's decorate the bow. Done. I'm so pretty. Let's add more luxury accessories. Voila! Our Lali is glowing.
Amazing.
Such a gorgeous train. This is the most beautiful dress ever. Go ahead and admire. Wow. Let's check it off. Right. Done.
Woo.
We did it.
Yay!
Me next. Oh, wait, Lali. Wrong way. Oh, right. I'm ready. Where do we start? The Wheel of Fortune will decide. Let's go. Please be makeup. Please be makeup. It's makeup. Wow, just what I wanted. Oh, what's that? Lalilu, look! So much cosmetics! Hurry up, I can't wait any longer! Let's begin with lipstick. A special silver limited edition. Wow, does it smell nice? Hold still or I'll smudge it. Oh, now that's high fashion.
Yippee!
Maybe I should become a beauty blogger? What do you think, subscribers? I could film makeup tutorials. Oh, I'm already your fan. You know what? I don't need anything else here. A diamond makeup bag for special occasions. Let's take a peek inside. Oh, yes. Is this a dream? Let's add some diamond sparkle. Let's do it. Applying glitter to the eyelids. Now the left side. I want even more shine. I know just the thing. Let's stick on tiny rhinestones. Can I take a look? Of course. Absolutely stunning. That's not all. Pick some stickers. They'll complete the look.
Wow.
Let's take this one and this one. Done. It turned out neat and stylish. I have to film a TikTok. Hold on. Dear subscribers. Wait, take the tripod. Oh, thanks. Setting it up. Adjusting. Got it. Oops. Oh no, my phone is broken. What should I do? Don't worry, we'll make you a new one. Watch. Click buy. Really? Print the pictures. You can cut them out. I'm using tiny scissors for this. Now I glue the two halves together.
Excellent.
Done. Thanks, I'll go show Lali. Hey Lali, have you seen my new phone? That's so cool, congrats. And check out my fabulous makeup. Let's take a selfie. No, I don't want to. But why? I don't have makeup on yet. I need a golden look. Let's do your makeup right away. We'll order everything real quick. 2 clicks. And here's the package. Ready to unbox? Let's see. There are tons of gold stickers here. Oh my gosh. I want these stickers. I think these are better. Take a look. No. Yes, I like these, but these are way better. Lali, I know what I'm doing, but I'm basically a makeup blogger already. Girls, stop arguing. I have a better idea. A game will decide everything. I'll download it. Oh yes. Purchase. Done. This is exactly what we need. Let's cut out the board in pieces. Like this. You take the pink ones, and you get the blue ones. Let's see who wins. Yay, I won! Here are your stickers, winner. Let's decorate the cheeks and add a highlight here. Come on, at least these 2. Fine, it looks great. Ha, I told you. Let's stick them on the eyelids. Perfect. So does it look pretty? Something's missing. We haven't done the lips yet. Let's add more gold gloss. I feel like a star. Let's define the brows. With gold, of course. Voila! Very elegant. Lali, you look gorgeous. Let's check off our list. Yes, we did it. Now let's take a selfie. I'm ready. The girls are so photogenic. Besties, you look fabulous. But no time to rest. Let's keep transforming. Now it's your turn. This look isn't fully diamond styled yet. Let's head to the workshop. Let me take a look at you. Yep, the hairstyle and outfit aren't ready yet. No worries, we'll fix that. Spin the wheel. Let's go. Wow, it landed on outfit. Yay, I'm so happy! Huh? Why are you shouting? Look, we are going to craft a dress. Yay, congrats, Lali. Yes! Well then, the gold dress turned out amazing. And the diamond one will be just as stunning. What should we make the corset from? Ribbon? No, we've already done that. Oh, this isn't right either. I know! Nanotape and glitter! Perfect combo! I pull out a piece and sprinkle glitter on top. Lali, hold this while I cut it. Snip! Done! It sparkles so beautifully! Now let's place the pattern. Yep! And cut it out. Snip! Rhinestone trim along the edge. Dazzling! Of course, but your sleeves don't match. Let's switch to shiny silver ones. Girl, it looks so good on you. Really? Yes, she's right.
Wow.
You need an equally stunning skirt, not those pants. I'll help. Hold on. Look what I brought.
Shoo.
Give it here, helper. Wrap the legs and voila! A silver cord for the waist. Lalilu, how do you even come up with all this? I've got a little gift for you. What is it? Show me. Luxurious silver shoes. Let's try them on. Perfect. I want heels like a model. And what's this? Let's add a ruffle along the edge and a fabulous boa. Now decorate with diamonds. Wow, that's a fancy look. You know, you can never have too many diamonds. Yes, I agree.
Amazing.
I'm in love with it. Lali, just look. Lali. Oh, where did she go? Let's find her. Don't worry. Hey, girl, why are you pouting? What happened? Our hairstyle isn't done yet. Okay, let's get started. A comb. Let's just… Oh, there's nothing to brush. Not enough hair for a style. So what do we do? I've got an idea. We need extensions.
What?
I already have a hairpiece. Phew! Cutting the elastic and undoing the braid. Oh, wow! Look, Lalilu, I'm Rapunzel! Yes, Lali, gorgeous. But we still need to finish a few things. This elastic won't work. We need to tie the strand with something shiny and gold. Did someone say gold and shiny? Yes. Well, I know what might work. Yay! Voila! Pure gold. Here you go. Perfect, thanks, Lali. Tie the weft in the middle. Great, that's exactly what we need. I want it, let me try it on. Oh, wait, Lali, stop.
No.
Oh, we split the strand.
Whoa.
Wait, now there are two? Oh, that's actually good. Exactly. Attach the strands on both sides. Already doing it. Beautiful. Let's decorate the hairstyle with gold ribbons. It turned out amazing. See for yourself. Wah! Super fancy. I'm off. Lali, wait. What about these beads? So cute. Love them. Let's add them to your pigtails. This is absolutely stunning. I feel like a real star. The golden look from Lalilu is so striking. We can check off the hairstyle. Our checklist is finally complete. Yay! I'm so happy.
Yay!
Let's get back to our diamond beauty. How are you doing here? Not bored? Time to spin the wheel. It landed on hairstyle. Maybe we should try again? Well, no, hairstyle. Maybe let's do another outfit? No hairstyle. It's rigged! Lali, stop messing around. We need to finish the look. Let's attach fluffy pigtails. Oh, they could use some styling. 1 second. Straightener or blow dryer? Yes, let's take the straightener. Perfect. Smoothing it out while curling the ends slightly. And more diamonds. Wow, I love it. Disco ball earrings. And shiny ribbons in the hair. Sparkly! The diamond look is complete. What luxury! Hey! Lali? I'm here! Huh? There you are. You look amazing, girl. Thanks, you too! Today, our Lali got 2 looks at once. A refined diamond style and a luxurious golden one. Thank you, Lalilu. Hi! Huh? Am I seeing triple? Bye-bye.